What's up, everyone? Welcome to our second ad test. And for this ad test, we are going to be doing this ad. It's a free home market analysis, CMA, home evaluation, whatever you want to call it. So, as you can see, it says wondering what your home is worth today. Click below to get your home's estimated value for free. I will post this picture in the comments. You can just save that and use it. Otherwise, if it's not downloading with very good quality, you could just let me know your email address and I'll send it over to you. So we're going to start with our landing page. Because you can't really edit these fields, I just put a note here, please enter your current home address in the note section to receive a free comparative market analysis. Or you could put to see what your home is worth, whatever you want to put. I do include the app and just our agent branding in this. I need to switch out our logo for the one without the background, and it'll look a little bit better then. But yeah, let's get into it. I posted a video specifically on how to make this landing page before, so I'm hoping that some of you guys watched that, and if you didn't, you can go back and refer to it if you'd like a slower walkthrough. But I'll just show you how to do one quickly. So we're going to go to consumer, hit create a new site as a standalone page, create, give it a title. Okay, so the first thing is the branded header. After that, we're going to go straight to the lead form. Like I said, I throw in the download my app widget. I don't see it hurting anything, so might as well. Agent branding and legal footer. All right, so now you're going to configure those widgets. Start with branded header. Here you have to put something like free home evaluation, market analysis, whatever you want to put. Next. Okay, so delete interested, let's talk, and put something like, I put all of my text in this note just so I have it. I'll put all of this stuff in the description of this video when I post it too, so you'll have all of this. Okay, now you see that it changed over here. That being said, you will get leads because we're going to use the lead gen form on the Facebook ad. So you'll get their lead information as soon as they click on it. However, if they want a CMA, they're going to have to put their address in the notes. I didn't think it was worth disabling the lead gen form just in case, someone doesn't enter it here. You could at least reach out to them and ask for their address and tell them that you'll send them one. So that was kind of my thinking in that. All right, save and apply. Next. This should all be accurate. You can change it if you want. I think on the other one, what did I put? Oh, I put down here, collaborate with your family, find hidden listings, search by custom area, and more. So, yeah, if you wanted to add something to this, you can. So next, all of that should be right. Same with that. Okay, save and apply. So now you're going to publish this. As you can see, I already made one, so I'm not going to publish this one, but this is the time to do it. So I'm going to exit. All right, so now we'll get right into the ad itself. So go to campaigns. And then create a new campaign, social ad. Put in a name, like ad test number 2. You could put market evaluation, whatever you want. This is to attract listings. Facebook, set up campaign. Okay, so now is where you can go to the description of this post and grab this information right here. Wondering what your home is worth today, click below to get your home's estimated value. And you're just going to paste it. And actually, this is a good time to bring up the Google form. If you remember from the first ad test, if you were a part of that, we do fill these out simultaneously. It just makes it a little bit easier. The link is in the post. So actually, I'm going to have to go back up here because I started a bit late. All right, so you can put in your name, email. All right, what is your goal? So the goal we used was attract listing. Okay, so this doesn't, listing address, no, list price, average market price, doesn't matter because we're not using a listing. So just skip over that. Copy and paste the main copy, so that's what we just did. So now we're all caught up. Okay, and this is just to collect all the right data. As I've told you guys before, we're doing this so that we can all kind of collaborate and create the same ads and see what results people get, see why certain people got better results, what markets different ads work best in, and all of that, or different days of the week, stuff like that. So when you submit this to us, we can collect that data and then report it back out to you guys so that we can all use it to our benefit. All right, so save name and goal. We already did that. Okay, so back to add text. Now for the headline, you're going to put get a free home market analysis. Oh, sorry, headline. And then the description, we're just going to put click learn more. I don't even know if we have to put these. That's fine. There we go. So now you can see how that populated over here. Now we're going to add media, select media for this campaign. And as I said, I'll put the photo in the comments so you can just grab it from there, download it, and then upload it to here. If you need me to email it to you, that's also fine. I'm happy to do that. So upload it. You have to go to add images and then upload image. And you're going to drag it there. Preview and crop. That looks good to me. Save. And then you're going to save add media. Like I said, if your logo doesn't have the background on it, it's going to look a lot nicer. I'm going to have to go in and change mine before I actually publish. But, yeah. Okay. So now under Facebook ad, you're going to select the page that you want the ad to come from. So Safe Harbor team. Use Facebook lead generation form. As I said, it's still good to get that contact information. Even if you don't have their address, you can always reach out to them. Learn more button. Okay, so now we're going to go grab our URL to our landing page. And we are going to put it here. I've said this so many times, but I'm going to say it again just because it's a little bit deceiving. Just because you do not use this option, the use a site or landing page, doesn't mean that you can't use a site or landing page. So it's always best to go with use Facebook lead generation form and then also add the landing page. The only reason I've ever found so far to use this one instead is for hiring ads, because I don't necessarily care to have their contact information because I'm not going to be reaching out to them. I'd expect them to reach out to me, and all the information they need, including an email address, will be on the landing page anyway. So that's the only reason so far that we've found would make sense not to use lead gen form. All right, so now we're going to put in a location. I would suggest find like a central location that is... Okay, so we're going to use a 35-mile radius. You can do... I would just all keep it uniform. So let's all try to do 35 miles just to see how this works. So I'm going to choose Westlake, Ohio, because we work approximately the areas within a 35-mile radius of there. If you really don't work within 35 miles, just put it less. So let me put Westlake, Ohio. Okay, and now we're going to go back to our Google form because I'm always neglecting it. We're going to have to actually, you know what, let's save this for now. So back to add text. The headline we're going to put right over here. And then same with the description. Okay, so describe photo used in detail. You can put photo that Natalie provided. Otherwise, just in detail describe the photo that you use. If you decide to make your own, that says what's your home really worth, you can put that. I would try to keep it as uniform as possible so we can really see what these results are across the map. So save. It's all good. All right. So now destination setting. And as we just went over, we did use Facebook lead generation form. Button call to action. I'm going to open this up so you guys can see it. So here, that's where we put learn more. And then the follow-up destination URL, that's your landing page. There. And when you paste this, a lot of times it still says HTTPS : You just have to get rid of one of them because it'll duplicate. So yeah, now target a custom audience. We're going to stick with that. Westlake, Ohio. And then the radius I use is 35 miles, so we'll enter that there. And now we're going to add or change interests. And you will find all of these interests as well in the post. So I don't want to go through all of them right now because, as you know, there are quite a few. Yeah, so you can just go through and add all of these to here. Actually, you know what? Let's not use any interests with this one. Let's see how that works. So don't select any interests. Just leave it. And then save. So now, you know, people have been getting mixed results. I've had the most success using these exact interests. However, that's for advertising a listing. And given everything that's going on right now with COVID-19, I don't know if using the interests would be to our benefit because there may be some people who are even just considering looking at what their home may be worth that might not have before. So they may not fall into any of these categories at the moment. Yeah, I'd rather be able to help more people if we could. Plus, trial and error. Some people have better results without using any expert targeting. So let's see how that goes. So save, go back to the Google form, expert targeting, none. All right, so now we're going to the duration and budget. We'll just do $10. If you guys want to do something else, that's fine too. I'd ask if you could try to keep it at $10. It's just nice to know that we're all doing the same thing and we can really see how this works across different markets. However, that being said, we're collecting the data, so if you do use a different number, we can see if maybe that affected your results. So it's kind of up to you. We're going to do this from Thursday to Monday. Okay, so 4 days, 250. Yeah. So save duration and budget. And then you can publish. So this is what it would look like on the computer, and this is what it'll look like on a phone. Sometimes the description disappears. I don't know if it actually shows up or not to people. But yeah, so then you can go over here, enter your start date, which was Thursday, end date, which was Monday. Total campaign budget, $10. And then submit. Okay, so I do want to mention that if you don't do this, well, tomorrow, I'm recording this on Wednesday, so if you don't do this on Thursday when I post this, that's completely fine. If you want to, that's good too. We do collect that data, like I said. It's kind of nice to know if maybe the different day of the week posted has an effect on performance of the ad. So if you don't get to this until like next week, don't think, oh no, it's too late, I can't join. It's not, you can join. It's perfectly fine. So just try to keep it at whatever it was. It said like $250 a day. So yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if, like I said, you need a different version of that photo, let me know, send me your email address, and I will email it over to you. Thanks for participating, guys.